So guys, let's make a new project. Tap on bottom left corner, select the folder where you have your file. Suppose this one, select the green tick. Now we are inside our main project. So how to apply water droplet effect? It's really simple. Go to effect, again effect, then look for weather. As you can see, we have several options here like the rain, snow. Lastly, select the drip for water droplets effect. Move the slider to control the blurriness, confirm it, give the effect layer same length as the video clip, and we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.